Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about week to date, how to calculate. So by using DAX function, we are going to see in today's video. So please try to watch my previous videos so that you'll get a better understanding on DAX. So I'm explaining different examples with the different functions. So try to watch. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'm going to explain each and every step what I have done here. So before getting into the details of this report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported for today's demo purpose. So you can see customer table, geography, product, sales territory, and dim date, product category, subcategory, fact, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel. And also we'll try to look at what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. We are going to see in the model tab. Just click on the model tab. So just scroll down a little further. Now you can see that we have established the relationship between the dimension and fact table. So if we place mouse over any two tables, we can see that some highlighting color, because it represents that the key has been established between the dimension and fact table. And also we can notice that what kind of direction it has to be in. For example, in this it's like a one direction to the many direction. It means that from the dimension has one direction and the fact table has many direction. So the filter propagation always from flows to one direction to the many side. So likewise I have established the remaining tables also. Now we'll go to the report tab. There we can understand the today's report. So in this report, so we are calculating the week to date. So there are some cases you will get a requirement like how to get the week to date sales for each year. So that case is how to write DAX formulas. So I'm going to explain here. So first of all, this is a matrix as well. So in this we have year as well as week and also date. Okay, year, week, date. So three levels. One is year level and also week level as well as the date level. For example, so at a year level we can see that two measures are there here. If you notice week to date symbol, so both are written the same kind of values. There is no difference at all. But why I have created two measures here? So basically one measure I just represent through data bars, another one is through icons. So that is the difference only. Remaining as it returns the same value. There is no difference at all. So I will take you to this measures. Okay, week to date. So I'll try to zoom it. So now we can see that. So I'm just checking if it is filtered by week number, then calculate the week to date sales. Okay, if the week number is getting filtered, then do this expression like I'm just checking whether it year level as well as the week number, and also do the week to date sales. So based on that it will give the expression. And also I'm checking if the total sales are blank, return the blank, otherwise return this expression. Okay, so sometimes we don't have sales for kind of some dates. That is the reason we just need to ignore if we don't have any sales and all. So that is the reason I'm checking before returning this variable and all. Now if we notice here, so in this context we are at year level. So year level we are seeing up to year to date sales. For example 4089, same thing we are getting. There's no difference at all, right? It's giving perfect. Now so based on that we can see, so based on some conditional formatting I have implemented for this measure as well as this measure. So I'll try to show that also. So go to this, click on, go to the conditional formatting, so data bars. So it's opening. So here if the positive bar, it means the more number of values you will get this color. If it is negative means you'll get this one. Okay, like that we have implemented data bars for this measure. Now I'll look into this measure, week to date symbol. So for that I have implemented icons. So go to the conditional formatting, click on icons. So here we can see that, so based on, I'll try to take the snipping. So based on condition I have written, I'm just returning this icon. Okay, if the number, whatever the measure returning values between 0 and 1000, so give this symbol. If it is greater than 1000 and less than 3000, give this symbol. So if it is greater than 3000, less than 5000 means it returns this symbol. So we are represent some icons based on the values we are returning from that measure. Okay, so whatever the value we are getting from this measure, based on that we are writing some conditional formatting on this icon. Okay, now I will go to the further, drill down to the further level, that is week level. So in week level we are getting very minimum sales, so it's below 1000. That is the reason we are getting the down arrow mark. Okay, and also we are not getting any data bars. Slightly we can notice that some kind of color we are getting, because this year we don't have much sales in week wise also. That is the reason we are not getting data bars, and also I can't represent also down will go for next year. So now we can see some different symbols, data bars are coming, because week to date sales are very good in this year. Now you can see, right? So it's good. In 2004 also we will check it. In 2004 also we are getting week to date sales are, we are getting good. Now drill down to further level. So this is year level, this is a week level. Now we'll go for the date level. Okay, now we can see that, so in 2001 week 27, so under 27 these are the dates. Each date wise what are the sales? 21, 31, 9, 3, 9, something like that. Okay, so now we are getting week to date. Okay, it's getting summing up to end of this week to date. Say 21 plus 31, 53, 53, 53 plus 9.90, 63. Like that we are getting up to 9.1. Again we'll go to the further week. Again it's a week to date. Likewise we can analyze the data. For example, we'll look for the another year also. Which year this is? In 2003. So we are at 2003 week, sorry, in 2004. In 2004 we are at week 14. Now we can see that, so each day wise what are the sales? So in March 28th, March 29, March 30th. So here we are getting different symbols. For example, I will take this one. So it's not taking good one. I'll try to take one more time. Yeah, in March 28th, so we are getting low sales around 4000, but in March 29th we are getting around 6000. So based on that we are getting the data was slightly getting increased, because we are having more number of sales each day wise in this week for the 2004. And also we can see that based on the conditional the symbol has to be changed. Here due to some less sales we are getting some symbol, here we are getting the other symbol. So like that based on the some condition we have represent the symbols, so that easily we can analyze the data, what is the sales are happening each week wise we can understand. This is a matrix usual. So we'll go to the another page. Here we can see that, so this is the another different chart based on the year selection, month selection. I'm just showing the data at weeks wise. For example, in 2003 I want to see the month wise what are the week sales. For example, September, May. So based on the selection automatically we are getting the week sales. Okay, even we can see that some kind of colors also have added background. So based on the dynamically, if sales are more means we will get the different colors. Okay, See, color has been changed, background color, earlier different color. See, so we have implemented dynamically. So based on the week to date sales, it's getting generated automatically. So this way we can calculate the week to date sales for each wise on any year. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, so you can send me through email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for other videos. Thank you so much for watching.